Hey guys, it's Full Flopus here, back with another video. This is going to be XRP update, XRP news for today, and I'm just going to jump straight into it. Okay, so the markets are currently, there's still a lot of fear on the markets due to a few flash crash corrections. In my opinion, uh, point out it's only my opinion. I think that there's going to be a bigger dump that is coming soon, but I could be also wrong, of course. Of course, Bitcoin could skyrocket to $70,000 to $100,000 instantly, but I think that there's going to be a bigger um, dump coming. But that being said, XRP, I'm talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin price does affect all of the other cryptocurrency prices. Like you should know that already if you're in the cryptocurrency. But currently XRP is at 47 cents. Okay. The SEC news or not news or SEC lawsuit is still holding XRP down a lot, and there's not much happening with XRP. The price action is very minimal, but there is price action, but it's very like, look at here, 70 cents here, 60 cents, 50 cents, nothing major yet. Okay, but let's go. Let's see what people are talking about XRP. I'm very interested to see. I didn't do this yesterday, I believe, so I'm very interested to see the news now. So when they don't know, I can find out. Boom. By the way, guys, I just did a video about Flare Spark token. It's very connected to XRP. If you don't know what Flare is, and if you would like to know what it is and maybe how to buy it on BitTrue, I created a price prediction video for 2021 and also how to buy guide. If you're interested to watch those, you can find them on my channel. But anyway, XRP news today. As long as I've seen, there hasn't been any major major news coming in. That the people cover the SEC lawsuit, but there hasn't been any huge. And then there was the MoneyGram news that I covered a couple of days ago. Yeah, MoneyGram both relationship with Ripple's XRP on hold. But you can see there hasn't been any major new news coming out. Okay. People are indeed very, what is this? It's very good. People are very bullish on XRP still. XRP community is still growing at a fast rate, and yeah, it's very interesting, and I'm very excited for XRP. They're doing the work. Ripple has been doing work for since 2013, and since it was like one coin. And it's very interesting story if you go read about it, like how Ripple came into PB. And there's a lot of people talking about like Illuminati stuff and that kind of stuff, but I don't address on that stuff at all. So but anyway, I'm just saying that it's that's just people like stories. But anyway, so, and people are very curious, like curiosity killed the cat. Do you know that saying? It's very true. So boom boom, XRP probably we will deep inside green box. Currently for TA for XRP, I've been in this market since like 2017, late 2016, and I basically invested somewhere around here on XRP first time, and then I sit through this whole bull run because I thought that I'm going to be rich because I didn't know anything about investing. I was like, yeah, this is it, like I'm going to sell. And if you know the Leonardo DiCaprio from Wolf of Wall Street, where it says, I'm not selling, or I'm not greeting, I'm not selling. I was like that here, and you know what happened? I just boom, held through the bear market, bought XRP, sold XRP, tried to trade it, all kind of stuff. And during this time, I learned a lot about cryptocurrencies, and I just want to share that with you because there has been different kind of riddles on XRP community. There has been TA, like millions of TA trying to, you know, like think if I think about it, like from this point, like basically here to here, all the TA that I have been watching here has been pointing out always that it's very bullish on XRP. XRP is going to blow up. But this whole time, nothing. That could just be that That's why I don't. I have been a lot of people like love TA, technical analysis, but I don't think that TA is like, if you think about the big players here, do you really think that they come to these charts and watch like where it's going to go next? Like really big players, for example, like if you think about Warren Buffett, investing in stocks or companies, they don't look at this. They don't look at the like Warren Buffett always says, like even though Warren Buffett says that Bitcoin is rat poison and cryptocurrencies are bad, it's just because it's his brand. Like think about it. Like people are very like stupid. Like if you think about it, it's his brand. If you go to Berkshire Hathaway, if you go to their website, look at this. This is not technical at all. It's very, look at the whole all this website is. It's because it's their brand. It's their old school. That is their whole vibe. They're old school and they don't care about. And they're very practical. They don't. The practical energy is huge. They don't waste money to creating fancy looking websites because they'd rather take that money and invest that money. Okay, so I don't know why people are like, oh, Warren Buffett is saying Bitcoin is bad. Like, of course he's saying that, because if he wouldn't say that, it would go against his brand and it would be it would be bad. It's not who he is. Okay, so but anyway, I still like to learn from Warren Buffett, like because he's like Charlie Munger. They are so smart. They have so many like good golden tips that it's crazy. Um, but anyway, I forgot what I was about to say. I had some good things that I wanted to say, but I forgot it because I went on ranting about that. But anyway, so um, by the way, I have a cryptocurrency newsletter where I share my market analysis every single day, and by I don't mean TA. I mean like what I think about like the current market situation. Okay, and it's purely everything, all the videos on my channel are purely entertainment, no financial advice here. It's just my opinion because um document the journey on cryptocurrencies, and I yeah, that's what I basically want to do. I want to document my um like my thoughts about it, and that doesn't mean that my thoughts are true. That doesn't mean my thoughts come manifest into reality. Okay, I just say my opinion. Okay. But so Flare, yeah, here's Flare. Flare has had insane run, so it's up like from 20 cents to 60 cents. But only it's very mm, it's very because it's only on currently. If you look at it, it's only on Bitrue, and I have been on Bitrue very long, and all of these coins like if Flare doesn't, well, I got that in depth in the video that about Flare that I created today. I'm not going to go more in depth on here. Okay, and boom, 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 and then there's by the way, I just want to quickly cover that uh when I even when I create these videos, people just generally want to see hype videos that are basically nonsense. Like I have been like I'm not meaning I watch these videos, I watch YouTube videos also, so people just are biased to go towards videos that are like XRP is going to $100,000 per XRP, because that's basically reward bias. If you're invested in XRP, of course you want to see that video. So I actually did a test where I just did those videos like I put the title like XRP is going to $2,000 or something like that, and people just click those videos like crazy, like crazy. So it's very then it's going to that's a cycle that's going to just repeat and repeat and repeat, because when YouTubers come here and when people like, it's very easy to get views on XRP. You can just say like XRP is going to million per XRP and you will get thousands of views. Okay, it's very it's very weird. Same with any cryptocurrency. You can say that Bitcoin is going to million, you have to watch this video, or Bitcoin, like it's very easy to get the views on this market. And I think that that's going to make a lot of people like have unrealistic expectation, because I know that for example here when I was in the I came here, then I started watching some YouTubers. People basically said, yeah, actually it's going to be $1,000 by the end of year. Like it was always end of year or end of this month. And what that did to my um Virgo brain. Basically, I haven't been exposed to investing at all before this point. So what that did to me, it set unrealistic expectations, and it kind of like screwed up my brain for a little bit. But then I just started learning from the best, and they are like, no, that is not the way. What you want to do, what they say, what Charlie Munger does, and Warren Buffett says, that they don't want a huge wing. They don't want to like they are not looking for one huge win that will make them very rich. They are looking for small wins all the times, and those small wins will compound. So if you look at what Warren Buffett has done, he doesn't have like a huge win, like he's like all in and then boom and then he's rich. He has like win, 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 win. And what that means, that he hasn't taken huge losses. It's very important to not take huge L's. Okay, you want to avoid it, and that's why I think that, for my opinion, I'm not going to invest in these markets now, because I think that it's going to drop, and I don't want to just throw money in and gamble. Okay, and of course I have some huge like long positions, like very long, like I'm just I'm going to let those bags sit, but then I'm just with my trading bags, I'm just not going to invest currently. Anyway, that's just what I'm doing. And anyway, that's going to be the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and tuning in, and subscribe to my channel. And you know the drill. Like this video, and see you tomorrow, guys.